Meaning of enviably.
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 Enviably. The word enviably is an adverb that describes something desirable and worthy of envy or admiration. If someone possesses something enviably, it means that they have achieved something noteworthy or impressive that others may want but find difficult to attain. It suggests that the person in question has accomplished something with great skill or good fortune and is now in a coveted position. To be enviably successful, rich, or talented implies that one has surpassed others in these areas and has something that others would like to emulate.